This is Chronicles 9780. Let's do this thing 5 times. Good luck to all. What a delicious McChusted. The hands are clean. We are good to go. 5 times. Let's do this thing. Good McChusted. 1, 2, 3. 4. And 5. The winning team is the Miami Heat. 5 times. The Heat's on top. Alright, the Heat. And we know they're with Aaron Dorelli. He'll be up and about that. Alrighty. I better move that bag that I put near the door. Because otherwise, someone will come in and kick it over. Alright, and I'm back with normal sound now as well. Here we go. Let's do 9780. The mic is back on. Listen, the McChusted has saved my life. Ready for a big break now. I will bring this camera back up just so you can see me opening it. I'm sure post McChusted energy. Maybe Bailey will have the same Pepperny step. Oh wait, did the sneaker spotlights pop up in Chronicles? There you go. No, Bailey's here in Australia, unfortunately. All right. Probably because he's made it seem like a trip to Melbourne is him doing the Mecca. We're actually involved in a 3-way... No, I'm not going to make that joke. Oh boy, Aaron up and about. Listen, at the very least, you'll get a whole bunch of base cards and probably something numbered. All right, here we go. Corey Kispert. And we start nice. Rookie cornerstone to 99, Jonathan Kuminga for the Warriors. Kyrie Irving, Trey Murphy. $2.99, Isaiah Livers, Jalen Suggs, Davion Mitchell, Refractor, Wiggins Curry. Yeah, fantastic start there for 9780. Josh Giddey and Austin Reeves to 99 for Lakers, Primo. And to 149, it's the national pride for Germany, Maxi Kleber. Bill Reeves, blue to 99, Jason Tatum. Peter Samu, and Hometown Heroes, Joe Wieskamp to 99. Mitchell. Tell you what, Giddey, Johnson. 149, Chris Duarte, Cameron Thomas. Scotty Barnes, Refractor. Primo, Josh Giddey. Kessler Edwards, Zion Williams, and Kyrie Irving. Blue to 99, Scotty Barnes. Suggs. Orange, Giannis. That's a cool colorway. Number 275, LeBron and Bones Highland. You can donate all your cash to Blake at Cherry Collectibles and donate to the... No. Josh Primo, Josh Giddey. Orange to 75, Bones Highlands. You can donate all of your change to blake.riley4@live.com.au and get us our goal of 100 McChustards. Steph Curry to 249. Keon Johnson, Jalen Green, Davion Mitchell. Keon Johnson, Shai Gilgeous, Cade Cunningham, rookie. 275, Sandro. Spacer, Davion. Purple, Jalen Suggs. That at number 249. Trey Murphy, Kuminga. Man, ever since that McChustard, I have ascended. Just so tight. Bailey, that is the driest thing I have ever tasted. Corey Kispert, Julius Randle. To 149, Devin Booker. And I don't see how Macca's meat would make it any less good. 275, Chicago Bulls, Marko Simonovic. Kevin Durant. Once your timeout is done, you can come back and explain to us how you eat that. Mobley, Chris Duarte, Cameron Thomas. Sorry, Cameron Thomas was to 49. Scotty Barnes, Jalen Green, Trey Mann. Orange, sorry, to 75, Trae Young. It was so dry. Yeah, we had a few lists, I'm pretty sure. Wiggins, Mobley, Kuminga, Kai Jones, Moses Moody. Refractor, Jalen Green. Cade Cunningham. Barrett, Zion, Giddey, Luka, Mobley. 149, Nicholas Batum from France. No? Cameron Thomas. Scotty Barnes, Trae Young, Delano Benton. Blue to 99, Bones Highlands. But I need to know, Luka Doncic. And red honours, Jalen Suggs. Honours looks very good this year. Number 2, 149, Josh Giddey. How is that not just exceptionally dry when you eat those? When you eat it even with meat? KD, Quentin Grimes, Chris Duarte. To 149, James Harden. Cade Cunningham, and this is going to be nice. To 99, Evan Mobley. For the Cavaliers, gold standard. And Samu, JRE. No, it is not, you liar. It is oily. Steph Curry, Davion, Zion Williams. To 99, Trey Mann. Giannis. And a red, James Harden. 149, Zion Williams, Steph Curry. $2.99, limited Luka Doncic. Primo, K. Cunningham, Anthony Edwards, AO. Wiggle! Lillard, Giannis, Zach LaVine, Scotty Barnes. Brandon Williams, Jalen Green, Moses Moody. Blue /99, Mobley. Jeez, it's just marquee Mobleys everywhere. Wade, Quinn Grimes. /49, Jerry. No, it's not me. Cameron Thomas, Josh Giddey, Mobley. I'm just getting them all ordered to the store. And so when you come in, you either eat them or I don't come out. Josh Giddey, Lillard. /75, Moses Moody. Bones Island, Wagner, Boston, Jalen Suggs. Levine, Reeves, Cunningham, Thomas. Mobley, Wagner, Grimes, and /99, Jalen Suggs. No, there's no park. It's literally just, it's all just getting ordered to the store. Sharp, Young, Suggs is not numbered. Giannis, Trey Mann, Josh Christopher, Devin Booker /149. Jeez, that is, if that's, there's no way that's Spacer. God damn. Sengun, Sabonis, Tatum, a red LaMelo Ball /149. Is that worth that? Let me work it. I think the thing now was a little reverse. Yep. Red, Davion Mitchell. Finger. You know, I'll handle the people with more than one spot. Quita, Livers. /249, Zion Williams. James Harden, Cameron Thomas, Luka Doncic, Aaron Wiggins. /299, Corey Kispert, like Ernie. JRE /149. And Malik Monk for the Lakers, numbered /25. $2.99, Cam Thomas. Jose Alvarado refractor. Isaiah Todd, 7 /149. Corey Kispert, Trey Mann, and Pat Connaughton /149 for the Bucks. Chris Duarte. Josh Christopher /249. Just Giddy. Luka Doncic, Crusade Red, number /149. Trey Murphy, Kuminga. Kyrie, Cade. There's an Omar. There you go. Refractor, Cam Thomas. And a red, JRE /149. /149, it is Miles McBride. /149, it's Andrew Bogut, National Pride. The ball, Quinn Grimes, with the Australian flag in the background. Cade. And $2.99, Josh Giddey, gold standard. Duarte, David Mitchell, Bones Highland, Scotty Barnes, Jason Tatum. To 249, JR8. Probably about halfway through. Not a bad little break so far. Just can't believe we haven't seen a one-on-one yet. David Mitchell to 49. Silver KD. To 75, that's nice, LeBron James. Judas. Danilo Gallinari to 99. Kispert. Oh, nice! 5 of 8, the Gala for the Thunder. It is Aaron Wiggins. That is the first one of those we've seen. Kyle, congratulations. Jose Alvarado, blue, James Boonites. Number to 99, Thomas and Thomas. Well, until you said that, yes. No, Bailey. Until we hit that card, it was, yes. To 99, National Pride, RJ Barrett for Canada. And Thailand to 149, Jonathan Kuminga. Mobley, Omar, Watford to 149. Suggsy. Marcus Smart, Airborne to 149. G'day. And Mobley. To 75, Jason Tatum. Zion Williams. Kessler Edwards to 25, auto for the Brooklyn Nets. All Sue. Herb Jones, LaMelo Ball, Bones Highland to 149, Kessler Edwards. Franz Wagner, Silver, Davion Mitchell, Suggs, and to 149, Anthony Edwards. To 99, LeBron. Zion Williams. Orange optic, that's so sick. 43-75, Tyrese Halliburton, John Morant, Herb Jones. All right. Come on, where's the hit, bloody? To 149, Luka Doncic. Now that we've seen all the base and stuff, we'll go through them a bit quicker. To 249, it is Isaiah Livers. Green. Blue, Luka Doncic. Number 299. Franz Trey Mann. LeBron James, quick reveal on the redemption gives us Phoenix, rookie auto for the Hornets, Kai Jones. Josh Giddey, and a red LaMelo Ball to 149. Hello, Red.
What did you want me to do?
Isaiah told to say hi. No, it's all good. We've got it. Gold standard, Jeremiah Robinson L to 99.
I didn't get a comment, so that was my fault.
No, that's all good. To 99, Isaiah Jackson. Oh, base pile starting to dislike me. Trenton Watford. Red, Scotty Barnes, the Toronto Raptors, number 2, 149. Brandon Boston, Jalen Suggs. To 75, Jaden Springer. Tyrese. To 99, Kuminga. Is that our second Kuminga? Mobley, Bones Highlands. Trae Young. Redemption is Harrington Heroes rookie autographs purple, Trey Murphy. Jason Tatum and Giddy to 75. That's a nice card. Franz Wagner to 99. Reeves. Pretty sure this is my player character in NBA 2K. RJ Nembhard. That's fake. 4 of 99. Trae Young, Corey Kispert. They thought they'd put a fake character in and catch me out. Nuh-uh. No, sir. No, sirree, Bob. Trey Mann to 149 for Thunder. KD. Blue, Austin Reeves, rookie. To 99. Suggs, Wagner. And not on Herb to 149, Herb Jones. And Luka Doncic to 149, Marquee. All right, getting towards the pointy end. Oh, I just realized I've left this on the entire time. To 149, Alperen Sengun. I apologize. I left the bloody main view on. What is that even a picture of? Oh, no, wait, you can just see the bottom of that pile. That's it. Davion Mitchell refractor. Kispert, Lycurnie, and Zion Williams. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference, does it? To 249, Chris Duarte. All right, base pal, you have had enough. Quentin Grimes, Sengun, Kuminga, Herb Jones. It's so not many more, but I'm still going to fix her. Just move her off up to the front. Oh, Jesus. There we go, that's better. And we continue on. To 99, Dimich. Refractor, Jalen Green. Primo. And purple to 49, LaMelo Ball. When are we going to see a spotlight, sneaker spotlight? Sneaker spotlight. Oh, they're beautiful. Crusade Orange, Davion Mitchell. Number to 75. Of course, everything's sent from these. It's not even worth me separating stuff. 299, Kyrie Irving. Except Kyrie Irving, he sucks. Kay Cunningham. And for the Rockets, number 2, 149, Calvin Murphy, Basketball Hall of Fame. Herb Jones, Scotty Barnes. To 149, Chris Duarte. Halliburton. Red, Steph Curry. Number 2, 149, Steph Curry, JRE. It's not enough to stack them yet. About 2 boxes worth to go. Todd Brown. Mobley. And nice, the titanium of Day'Ron Sharpe. We didn't see anything like this the first time. 21, of course, the year. The yellow one. That's very nice. Curry, Doncic, Mann, Wagner. To 75, Kessler Edwards, Scotty Barnes. And rookie cornerstones, patch to 25, Neemias Quetta for the Kings. Drake, Corey Kispert. Red to 149, Trey Mann. Ayo DeSunmu. Blue, Chris Duarte, number 299, Gids and Murph. Is it Murph there? What? Josh Giddey, Davion Mitchell, Bones Highland, LeBron James. Delano Benton to 75. Cards like that when our year base, would the 2021 be worth more? I guess. Do you think that to 99, Jonathan Kuminga? Corey Kispert, Judas Sims, Kyrie Irving, Chris Duarte. And you, and I, do you. Todd, Mitchell, Giannis, Boonite, Jalen Suggs, Mobley, Wiggins. To 149, Trey Murphy. Yo, Todd. To 99, Kispert like Ernie. Mobley. To 99, Isaiah Jackson. Steph Curry, JRE. Cade, Curry, Mobley. To 149, Aaron Wiggins. Cade. Jalen Green to 75. What a beautiful card. 51 to 75. Curry, Mitchell. Down to the last box, Worth, McBride, Edwards, a different Edwards. To... These usually have numbers on them. Have we had an unnumbered one of these yet? Sometimes you can see where the number was meant to be. You definitely got on this one. Primo, Ao, Giannis. Giannis? To 149, Nikola Jokic. Ben Simmons traded. Cade, Ja Morant. Cade. Jalen Suggs to 49. Scotty B. Silver, Luka Doncic. Scotty Barnes. Todd, Mitchell, Kuminga. To 149, Scotty Barnes. Chris Duarte. JT Thor to 75. DeSunmu, Trey Mann. Darren Mitchell, Scotty Barnes, Isaiah Livers. To 249, Jeremiah Robinson-L. Isaiah Williams. Red, Quentin Grimes. Number 2, 149. LaMelo Ball, Anthony Edwards. Scotty Anderson, Quentin Grimes, Brandon Boston. 275, Jalen Green. This is the last pack of the case. Franz Wagner. And for the guy who is not away from us often, to 99, Jaden Springer, rookie cornerstones. Brian Tyland and Cameron Thomas. And that is Chronicles 9780.